Hey, if you're tired of playing email tennis just to book a meeting, listen up. Real quick, hit the link in the description below to grab a special lifetime deal on TidyCal, because trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, if you're a small business owner like me, you know scheduling can be a total nightmare. You want to grow your business, not spend your life juggling calendars and apologizing for double booking. Enter TidyCal. It's the underdog of booking apps, and honestly, I wish I'd found it sooner. So why am I obsessed with TidyCal? First off, it's dead simple. I connected my Google and Outlook calendars in about 30 seconds. And just like that, my schedule was sorted. No more wait. Are you free at 3 or 4? Headaches. I just send a link and people book themselves in. Done. But it gets better. TidyCal lets you set up paid appointments, so if you charge for consultations or sessions, you can get paid up front. No awkward chasing invoices. And yes, it syncs with PayPal and Stripe. Plus, you can customize everything, add your logo, set your availability, and even build group bookings or buffer times so you never have those back-to-back Zoom fatigue days again. And the best part, TidyCal is a one-time payment, no monthly subscriptions draining your profits. You pay once, and you're sorted for life. Look, I know there are loads of booking apps, but most of them cost a small fortune and need a degree in rocket science to set up. TidyCal is just easy. It lets me focus on running my business, not my calendar. So if you fancy more time for yourself and less time messing about with bookings, click the link in the description below. Grab that lifetime deal and make scheduling effortless. Thanks for watching and happy booking.